Immobiliser fit, and this is a Ghost 2 Immobiliser on a 2019 BMW M5. So if a thief copied this key, done a relay attack, programmed a new key, got in and went to steal the vehicle, they'll start it up, but as soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see it cut out, so they're unable to drive it away. So we'll just do that again, pop it into reverse, vehicle cuts out. So what the customer has to do is go through a push sequence of their choosing. So now the car's off, we'll start the car up, pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you watch the engine light, we'll get a double flash. And now they can select their gear. Customer can choose their own code on this vehicle, totally up to them, any buttons they choose. The way they'll do that is with the foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. So on these BMW, it's a triple press, 1, 2, 3. Turn the ignition on, pop their code in to confirm it's them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the double flash. Now we'll put our foot all the way to the floor in the accelerator, repeat our code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the engine light's going to begin to flash. When it does, we can take our foot off and it's ready to learn. So we'll just change it to volume down, 2, 3, 4. Now we're done, we'll get 3 flashes. And we'll just repeat that code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to get 2 flashes. With this system, you can set a combination of multiple buttons. It doesn't have to be just one, but for the video, we're trying to keep it nice and simple. So now, when they get in the vehicle, they'll start it up. Their old code's no longer going to work because we've changed it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We watch the engine light. 1, 2. And we can select our gear. If this is going for a service, you want to take it back to BMW, you don't want to give them a code. With it disarmed and running, go to the traction control, press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We're going to get 5 flashes. 2, 3, 4, 5. On the BMWs, we're going to get this warning as well, letting us know that the system's inactive on the Ghost. So now it's in service mode. When it goes to BMW, there's going to be no code. The vehicle's not going to stall out. It's just going to be a normal vehicle, and they're going to be able to service it and do what they need to do. The system's going to be switched off. As long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, the system's going to stay in valet mode. When you get it back, keep your foot off the brake, turn the ignition on with the triple press on this BM, then pop your code in, your normal disarm code, get 2 flashes, and that takes the system out of service mode. So once again, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser on a 2019 BMW M5. Protects against key clone and relay attack, and is looking for a PIN code before you can drive off. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.